you can't screw it, we can do it with the strength of our hands.
Once, many moons ago, I was just a little boy with huge dreams and even bigger aspirations. I remember paging through car magazines, letting my imagination run wild, telling myself one day I'll own that dream car, or maybe not even own it, just be mortal enough to touch something of that caliber. This is my story, the story of how a little boy's dream actually came true. Because how, in this massive cosmos, could it ever be that I, Mr. Screw-It, would one day put my hands on a 99-year-old relic, the relic of all relics, a 1927 Rolls-Royce? How many people can really say they've seen one, been around one, or had the honor of laying their hands on a masterpiece like that? All these little tiny holes. There's 50 of them on this cover as well, and the problem is I first have to get rid of all this tons of silicon that's on here. So yeah, that's gonna be a problem. There's for instance over here, broken bolt there, but this is going to be a problem to actually try and get in there straight, so I don't know. I have to see how the hell I'm going to get there. There's the other problem. I see this now. The other problem is this is really thin. That's like 10 millimeters, so I don't have much meat or place to work. That goes into the water channel. You can see by judging by this, there's already a couple of the holes that's actually corroded through. So this is going to be fun.